Alright, here's a quick update. I was watching Bussy McBussface, and they had replaced their back window. That shock that had gone out, mine's been out. Mine's been out since the day I got it, and I've been having to hold it up with a stick. So theirs, I went and cross-referenced the one that they have. I'll post it up on here in a second, which means I'm gonna have to edit this video. But this one I found on Amazon. 17-inch gas strut, 150. That's the number on it, and it came two for $24. And I'll post a link for that where I got it from as well. But this is the shock that it came with. It came with the two new ends, which is nice. So I'll be replacing those. And it came with all the hardware and stuff. So I don't know, maybe I'll end up replacing all the hardware eventually one day. But it came with everything, $24 for two of them. So let's get this hooked up and I'll see how it works. Now, the fun part, if I got to go outside and relieve the pressure on this thing, or it might snap back on me because it might have pressure, but not enough to hold up the window. Oh shit, that window is heavy. Oh. Come on, you little shit. I don't remember how I got this off the last time. I pulled it off and it was very easy. I just don't remember how I did it. Oh, that hurts. Hang on a second. It's gonna be weird. This actually holds the window up. I won't have to worry about this for the first time in forever. And if this works, this is a cheaper way than spending Napa's prices. No offense to Napa, but that's what spits prices on things. Of course, I can't get that up in there because I got the wrong side socket for the long. I personally think I'd rather have the 100-degree desert heat than the Florida humidity any day. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I can go up any higher. That was my height. Come on. Thread, there we go. As long as you thread, I'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Be right back. I had to use a board to hold it up because this is a two-person job. Unless you have the right tools, which I don't. Okay, let's see if this will work, shall we, Louise? Well, it holds it. That's a good sign, man. Not bad. And it's about, what, $20-something cheaper? So yeah, that's what I got to replace it. That's it there.